serve food at the community kitchen. So those are the visuals that you can see on your screen. And Gautam Adani has reached Mahakumbh and he's set to arrive at the Mela. But right now, this visual that you can see on your screen is of the Prayagraj airport, and this is a high-profile visits that entail when it comes to Mahakumbh, a huge crowd influx at Mahakumbh, and it's a confluence of faith, harmony and spirituality. And this time, one of the things that key details that are different from Mahakumbh when it comes to the Kumbh that is being organized this time around is the fact that earlier it was very traditional approach to the Kumbhs that were organized, but this time there is a lot of use of AI, drones, and the facilities are more modern, and there's a digital approach when it comes to how Mahakumbh was handled. And now you can see on your screen that Gautam Adani has reached the Prayagraj airport. And it's not just that Gautam Adani, there are several key people who have arrived at Mahakumbh. Earlier, we have also spoken about the fact that as per our sources, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also set to visit Mahakumbh, and we've also seen that several other people, when it comes to Steve Jobs' wife also, she also is in Mahakumbh, and a lot of people, there's been over 8.80 crore people have come to Mahakumbh so far. And when we talk about the facilities this time around, the Uttar Pradesh government and led by UP CM Yogi Adityanath has facilitated a lot of facilities to make sure that there's a seamless way that a devotee that is traveling from, whether they are foreign devotees, that because there's a lot of footfall this time around that we're seeing, a lot of facilities have been provided, and even people from India. But when we talk about Mahakumbh, there's the fact that people view it as something like a religious event or a spiritual event, but it's not just that. It's an economic boost, not just for people and for the traders or the businessmen in Prayagraj. There's also the fact that people across India, it's a huge boost. It's a boost for tourism, it's a boost for hoteliers, it's a boost for local people around there who have set up small pop-up shops around there. And we've also seen, as far as we've been covering Mahakumbh for quite some time, there have been several pop-up shops around there. We have with us my colleague Arzu Seth joining us live from VIP Ghat. Arzu, what exactly are the details that are coming in as you are on the ground from the Prayagraj? What exactly is the situation there?
Well, if we talk about the arrangement, the massive arrangement has been done, and right now I'm at the VIP Ghat, and here also you can see the arrangements are being done because the renowned industrialist Gautam Adani has landed in Prayagraj, and he will be visiting the Mahakumbh today at the several fair areas, and also he will perform Bhandara Seva at the ISKCON Pandal, and after that he will be visiting the Sangam Trivedi. And from this VIP Ghat, I will request my camera person to show around from this VIP Ghat. He will be moving to the Sangam Nose, and there he will offer prayers. Also, I have with me पंडित जी who will be involved in the पूजा. आपसे भी बातचीत करना चाहेंगे, क्या कुछ पूजा वगैरह जो संगम पर की जाएंगी?
वो माँ गंगा का बड़ा पवित्र पूजन होगा और बहुत ही पंच ब्राह्मण द्वारा पूजन प्रारंभ होगा और वेद मंत्रों के द्वारा ये पूजन को संपन्न कराया जाएगा और सभी गोपाल यात्रीगण सब यहीं रह के पूजन को समापन करेंगे। यही हमारा कहना है। श्री राधे।
अडानी जी आ रहे हैं, उसको लेकर तैयारियां की जा रही हैं। आप लोग भी वहां पर संगम घाट पर जाएंगे उनके साथ, तो किस तरीके से पूजा अर्चना कराएंगे?
वहाँ स्वस्ति वाचन होगा, गंगा जी का ध्यान होगा, गंगा जी को दुग्ध धारा से स्नान कराया जाएगा, गंगा जी को भेंट किया जाएगा, भेंट की सामग्री आई हुई है, और फूल माला अर्चना पूजा किया जाएगा, कराया जाएगा। उसके लिए जो ब्राह्मण लोग आ गए हैं और वो भी कुछ ही समय बाद आने वाले हैं।
महत्व होता है महाकुंभ में संगम में डुबकी लगाने का और इस तरीके से पूजा अर्चना करने का, क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है?
माघ मकर गति रवि जब हुई, तीर्थ पति आवश्यक हुई। जब मकर राशि में सूर्य जो है प्रवेश करते हैं, जो कि 14 जनवरी को था, और इसका बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण पर्व है यह माघ का महीना। और ये और भी महत्वपूर्ण हो जाता है कि कुंभ है, और कुंभ में और भी महत्वपूर्ण हो गया कि पूर्ण कुंभ है, जो कि 12-12 साल में 12 बार जब लगता है तो 144 होता है। तो उसे 144 साल बाद यह जो है पूर्ण कुंभ का आयोजन हो रहा है। तो ये तो बहुत ही समझिए कि बहुत ही सौभाग्यपूर्ण है यह समय। तो इसमें तो जितने लोग आ रहे हैं तो अपने आप को सौभाग्यशाली समझ रहे हैं, इसलिए सारे लोग आ रहे हैं और गंगा में डुबकी लगा रहे हैं, गंगा का स्नान कर रहे हैं, पूजन कर रहे हैं, ध्यान कर रहे हैं। तो माँ गंगा की बहुत बड़ी कृपा है और हम आपका बहुत बड़ा पुण्य है कि हम लोग ऐसे दर्शन कर रहे हैं माँ गंगा का।
They will be, will be there at the Sangam Nose where the Gautam Adani will be performing the puja, and after the Triveni Sangam he will also be visiting to famous Bade Hanuman Mandir. And this year in fact Adani group is engaged in serving the devotees coming to Mahakumbh in collaboration with ISKCON and also with the Gita Press. And he will be visiting he will be the part of the Mahakumbh this time. Will be seeing the several arrangements being done. Also with his it is being said that he will along with his family will be going to the Sangam Trivedi to offer the prayer. And what we got the information that he has just landed in the Pragraj, and after the from to airport he will be visiting to the ISKCON temple where a Megha kitchen has been made to make the Mahaprasada, the bhog to firstly it was offered to the Lord Krishna and Radha, then after that it is distributed to the devotees, and more than 1 lakh people in a day have that bhoj. And also the aim is to nobody stay empty stomach, and that's why all the arrangement has been made by this ISKCON. And also in collaboration with the Gita Press also several books are being distributed for the free of cost with the Adani group. Also would like to show the arrangement that has been made. You can clearly see the boats have been put here from which the Adani will be going to the Sangam Nose, and also you can see the cleanliness drive is also taking place, and also the with the beautiful flowers the entire VIP ghat has been decorated, because in just few minutes he will be arriving at this particular place. And in fact the security has also been increased keeping in mind the VIP movement here at the VIP ghat. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thank you so much for joining us on the telecast. So